Hey y'all, it's Just the Best, and I'm here making Cajun smothered chicken wings. Alright, so I got my chicken wings in a pan already. It's about 10 to 12 is what you should use for this recipe. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do first is add 2 tablespoons of Cajun. A little bit more. It don't hurt. Don't be scared of a little Cajun. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we'll just do this here. What I'm doing here is sprinkling the Cajun all on the 12 chicken wings. And then I'll do another dose of this Cajun. Because again, we're using 2 tablespoons, guys, too. That's looking pretty good. Hey! Alright, here we go. So we got the Cajun on our chicken wings. Alright, next is the paprika. And this, what you need for this is about a teaspoon of paprika as well as a tablespoon. So that's what we're going to do. We'll just douse this on the chicken wings. I just did a tablespoon, so now we'll just do our little teaspoon. Here we go. Oh gosh. Extra careful with this. Tablespoon. I'm sorry, teaspoon. Sorry, guys. And here it is. Alright, now all of this is going to be infused with a few other seasons. So we got some garlic powder. We need a teaspoon. Pour this along here. Definitely need some pepper, you already know. So usually what we do is we use just some seasoned salt, some black pepper for some chicken and call it a day. Let this stay right here. Change it up, but we still need our black peppers. Now we need some dark chili pepper. And we'll get a teaspoon of that too. Dark chili pepper, and guys, I'm sorry, but goodness, messing with all these seasons, especially that pepper just died. I feel like I'm lost these. I tell you that right. Now y'all know we can't have any chicken without any red pepper flakes. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of these, not too much, not nothing crazy, just a little bit, just for the look and a little bit for the heat. That's it. Okay. This would be butter. And it has to be unsalted. And the reason why is because our next ingredient is already kind of salty, so we don't want to over salt our dish. So, just get a little bit of butter. Put it right in the center there so I can do this thing. I'll show you guys really quick. Now the next thing we want to do is add our cream of chicken. So our cream of chicken, here we go. Boom. Then we want to just kind of like put this all over the place. Like don't just of course smear it in one spot, but you know, kind of chunk it all over the place, you know. Let it fall. crevices of the chicken. Let it do its thing. Yep. Now I need to go ahead and just kind of mix the cream in the chicken, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's mixed. And this is like kind of your base, like for your sauce. So that's pretty much all you need. You gotta get that chicken wet with that cream chicken. Alright. I shall add the veggies. They weren't cut up for any reason, right? Alright, so we gotta add this. So we got this concoction here. And I'll check y'all in a minute. For another 20 to 25 on a little higher temperature. It's going to be 400 degrees this time instead of the 375. What I did is pulled it out, and this is after 20 more minutes in the oven. And it looks like that it's pretty infused. Alright, y'all. So I hope y'all like this little tutorial shindig. This is how you do some smothered chicken wings. Yeah, they smell delish. Makes me want to eat one right now. Alright, y'all. See y'all when I make the plate.
Oh, snap, son. Just the best creations. You know Pino knows food. On Pino's Food, yeah. So, yeah.